and welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you an affordable winter try-on haul. I've been shopping online in isolation. I think a lot of us have, and it's kind of weird because usually I'm not much of an online shopper or just shopper in general, but I have done some damage over the past like 1 to 2 months. So I thought I would show you guys what I've picked up. I went on the PrettyLittleThing website, Cotton On, because they had a 30% off sale. I have some Ryderwear, and I also have stuff from Kmart. So quite affordable stuff, and a lot of like winter pieces like tracksuit pants and like knitted jumpers and things like that. So I'm super excited to bring you guys this video today. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up. But yeah, let's get onto it. Also, can we laugh about the fact that I attempted to curl my hair today and it's just such a fail? I tried so many different ways. I put it in like pigtails and curled little sections, but I don't know, I just cannot curl my own hair. Anyway, so one of the first things that I did pick up was actually this white knit from Kmart. I'm not sure what color it's showing up like on camera, but it is like an off-white kind of color, and it was only 15 bucks, so such a bargain. When I first purchased it, I thought maybe it would be just like that rashy kind of material, if you know what I mean. Like sometimes knits are like itchy, but I really like it. It's got little cuffed sleeves, and it's also a little bit cuffed on the bottom, and it's just like the perfect fit. It's not cropped or anything, it's a standard knit, which I really like, because even though I loved my cropped knits, sometimes you need like something full length to actually keep you warm and to layer over. So I really like this. I'm actually going to go pick up a few more colors because they had a beautiful like green color and also like a rusty orange. But yeah, only 15 bucks, so definitely recommend picking this one up. And the next thing I got from Kmart is a cropped activewear jumper, I guess you could call it. So it's just black, it has a hood, and it also has a little grey box and a little white box here as well. This is actually the perfect crop. Like some cropped hoodies are way too cropped and I don't really feel comfortable wearing them in public. Slash when it's really cold, you don't want like too much skin on show because you'd be cold. So this is actually the perfect cropped hoodie. And it's also got like a fleecy material on the inside, so I really enjoy that as well. And I think this was only $15 if I remember correctly. So I really like this. Definitely recommend picking it up. I got a size 10 in this, and probably I'd say a size 10 in this as well, knowing me, but I can't really check. Alright, next up I'm going to show you guys all the things I purchased off PrettyLittleThing. I've never actually tried anything from their site before, but I saw a few people picking up loungewear pieces and things, so I thought I would do the same. So I've got maybe like 8 to 10 pieces here, and they're mostly just loungewear kind of things. So the first one is another black hoodie because I can't help myself, but this one is oversized. So I really love the look of like an oversized hoodie with either leggings or little sports shorts, although I live in Melbourne, so it's very, very cold here, so I don't think I'd get away with wearing bike shorts with them. But yeah, it's basically just this mammoth oversized hoodie. Andy actually wears this a lot, but yeah, that basically shows how oversized it is. So it fits a male as well. Otherwise, it looks really cute over jeans and like bike shorts and things. So yeah, the next thing I got were some tracksuit pants because I don't really have that many, and the ones I do have are a little bit old. So I just picked up this ash grey pair. I can't remember the style of them. I'll try and link them down below if I still have the links for them. But this was one of the most popular pairs that I had seen on the site, so I picked these ones up, and they've got little pockets on the inside, and they've got a drawstring on the inside as well. The only thing I would say is, for some reason, PrettyLittleThing tracksuit pants are really tall. I don't know if that's the way they're deliberately made, but they come up super high-waisted, so I actually fold them, and I quite like the look of them folded anyway because of the drawstring on the outside. So yeah, that's just something to be wary of. If you are a little bit shorter, then they may be a little bit too long on you. And also they do have a little cuff at the bottom too, which I really love. And the next pair I got are just a plain black pair, and they have the PrettyLittleThing logo on the side. Why is it so hard to say PrettyLittleThing? I find it so difficult. But anyway, these are the style embroidered jogger, and I got them in a size small. So again, they have a drawstring on the inside, which is awesome. but these are actually even longer than those ones. These ones literally go up to like my bra. So I haven't actually wore these, not gonna lie, and I bought them probably a few weeks ago. I just don't really like them when they're too high. At least the grey ones I can fold and they're still comfortable, but these ones are literally like Harry high pants. So yeah, but otherwise they're really comfy. Again, they're fleecy on the inside and they have the cuffs on the bottom as well. Going on with the black theme, the next thing is this little button up knitted top. I don't really know what these are called, but I've been seeing them everywhere. Black skinny fit cardigan. Oh yeah, I guess it is a cardigan. Anyway, so it has these cute little buttons down the side and you can undo them if you want. So if you just want it to be a cardigan style. Not gonna lie, until I filmed this video I actually didn't know the buttons undid, so wow. But that's so cute. I actually think I'll wear it way more as a cardigan than done up, so that's really cute. Again, the only bad thing I would say is that the sleeves are literally tiny, if you can tell. Like, what the heck is that? I mean, it's stretchy, but it only just fits over my arms. So yeah, they're quite small, but yeah, that's really cute as a cardigan. I'm totally gonna wear that. The next few things are my absolute favorites and they are cropped jumpers. So I picked up this beautiful mustard cropped hoodie. It has a little zip in the middle with a little circle detail and I absolutely love this color. I don't own anything in this color, so I really wanted to pick this up. I feel like it suits blonde hair, like, I don't know. Sometimes it suits it and then sometimes it's like super contrasty. But anyway, I've been absolutely loving this and it actually has a little drawstring in the center as well, so you can like tie it up and give it that little fitted kind of look. But yeah, and I got a size medium to large and it's the perfect fit. The next crop jumper is more of like an athletic kind of one in my opinion, but it's just this kind of knitted ribbed material. I honestly don't know how to explain it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's definitely a different type of material than I've ever had before. But again, this one has the zip on the top half. It also has a little collar, which I quite like. I just think it looks super cool. Obviously black and white striped, and it has the black drawstring in the middle as well. I've worn this so many times already, and every time I wear it on Instagram, you guys are like, oh my god, where's that from? So apparently you guys seem to love this one as well. But yeah, it's super cool. And the last thing I got from PrettyLittleThing is this white hooded jumper. Again, it is a cropped one, but this one's a little bit longer. Like, you can get away with wearing like a mid-rise jeans under it because it doesn't actually show that much skin. What size did I get? Oh, I got a large, so that's probably why it's longer. I don't know why I got a large. Maybe there was no smalls in stock, but also I feel like when you have hoodies, you can honestly get any size, like either the size that fits you or like oversized, and that looks cool too. So I really don't mind. They must have just sold out of a smaller size. But yeah, it's basically white and it has the PrettyLittleThing embroidered logo here, if you can tell on camera. And this one isn't fleece lined on the inside, by the way. It's just kind of like a cotton kind of material, which is really good because I wear it when I work out and stuff, and at least then I don't get like overly hot. Whereas if I was wearing something with fleece, I would literally be boiling. So yeah, that is everything I got from PrettyLittleThing. The next two items are from Ryderwear and they're both sets. This is from their new collection and I absolutely love it. So this is the Sportsbra. It's basically just black and it has grey and black stripes. It kind of looks white on camera, but I'm pretty sure it's grey. And it has a racer back detailing. I don't know what it is about this collection in particular, but I just honestly love like the look of it. It just looks super sporty and flattering. And they also have a little butt contour as well. But yeah, these are super comfy and I'm just honestly obsessed with them. So that's the black pair, and I also have a grey set as well. These ones are more comfortable. I don't know what the difference is, but for some reason the black ones are a little bit more like tough, if you will, whereas these ones are like way more stretchy. But I just love it. Oh, you can see the detail on these ones a lot better. But yeah, just super flattering. Little butt contour, and the matching sports bra as well. I also have a discount code for Ryderwear if you guys didn't know that. I'll pop it on the screen, but it's just FitWithBrit10 and that will get you 10% off their website. I absolutely love Ryderwear. You guys see me wear them all the time on Instagram, so definitely head over to their site and pick something up. And the last few things I have to show you are actually from the Cotton On website because they had a 30% off sale. I think a few of these are actually from Supre as well, but I'll let you know which ones are. So the first thing I picked up is this knitted cropped jumper. If you guys can't tell, I loved cropped things, but it's basically just a beige kind of natural color and it's cropped. There's honestly like not much else to say about this, but it's super comfortable. I have a size small and yeah, I'm just obsessed with this. I think I'm gonna pick up a few more colors as well. The next thing I got, which is super random and I don't know why I picked it up, is this tiny little white like crop top boob tube. I don't even know what to call this because it's actually tiny. I really don't know why I bought this, but I do have one in black that I wear all the time in summer. So maybe, I think I just saw it and was like, yeah, I need one in white. Maybe that's why I bought it. But yeah, I just really love pairing these with jeans and then putting oversized like cardigans or jackets over the top. I think that looks super cute. So yeah, I picked that one up and it's a size small. Yet again, another white item, but I also picked up this plain white t-shirt that says, "She is wild at heart." I just love plain t-shirts, but with a little bit of writing. I'm not the hugest fan of like band tees and things like that. I do own a few, but I prefer more of like a plain kind of look. And again, I just really love white with blue jeans. I don't know what it is, but it just looks super clean and crisp. So I decided to pick up this and it is a size small as well. I might even actually crop it. As you guys know, I love cropped, but yeah, I'll either tie it or maybe crop it, but yeah. And the last white thing I have to show you guys is this turtleneck. It's long sleeve, which honestly, I don't think I've ever owned like a long sleeve t-shirt in my life because I'm not like someone that loves wearing long sleeve things unless they're baggy. But yeah, I wore this the other day and it was actually really comfortable. It's kind of like a knit material almost. I don't really know how to explain it. Kind of like ribbed as well, so it has a little bit of detail in that sense, and it has a tiny little turtleneck. It doesn't like go up too high where you feel like you're choking. It pretty much goes up to where my knitted jumper goes up to right now. And yeah, I just really like this for layering. I've actually seen people wear t-shirts over the top and that looks super cool as well. So I just picked it up because I feel like you can't have too many long sleeve tops in your wardrobe in winter because it's honestly so easy to layer. And the last top that I got is actually this striped pink, navy and white crop t-shirt. Again, with the cropped. But I saw this and was just like, yes. I don't know why I was drawn to it, but I just thought it was super cute. Looks really cute with jeans and I love that I can wear it in summer as well with like denim shorts. So yeah, I just picked that up. It is a size small. And I think it only ended up being like $10 or something with the sale, so yeah. And the last thing I have to show you guys is probably my absolute favorite thing I bought out of this whole haul, and you guys love it on Instagram as well. It is this pink puffer jacket. It is the most comfortable jacket I've ever owned, and I own like a $400 Kathmandu jacket, and this was $40 on sale, so I cannot believe it. But it's honestly so soft, so warm, and it has little polka dots on the inside, which honestly is just the cutest detailing ever. But yeah, the only thing I would say is that it doesn't have a hood, so it's a little bit annoying if it's like raining or something, but it is just the most perfect jumper. It has little pockets on the outside, but it also has them on the inside as well, like a giant one right here. And I also really love the length of it because it's kind of almost like a cropped version, like it kind of sits where your jeans would sit or something, whereas my Kathmandu jacket is more of like a longer one. So I really like the fit of this. I got it in a size small to medium, and they had so many cute colors on the website, like a baby blue. So I'll link them down below if they're still in stock. But yeah, definitely recommend picking this up, especially for the price that it is. It's just the best thing ever. Yeah, that is basically it for the haul. I am so out of breath. I haven't filmed a haul in such a long time, and I've been filming for like an hour now, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below if you end up picking up any of these things, or if there's any cool websites that I should check out for some more winter things, which I probably don't need. But anyway, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.